students, you must first create their profile in the application. Then you want to click on your teaching group or class so that you can connect them when you're in your teacher space. At the top right, you want to click on Connect My Students, and you will see the password of your class, or you'll also see the magic link necessary for connecting your students. The magic link allows the whole group to connect without going through the manual process. It will be enough for each student to connect by clicking on their first name. If your students connect without the magic link from home, for example, they will need to go to plumeapp.com, click on the login at the top right. Then they're going to click on I'm joining my group. My teacher gave me a code. Then they're going to need to complete their student login. For example, their user ID might be Kate11. And then they will need to complete the class password, which is found right here, and your student will then be connected to their writing space.